made blender muffins, you'll wonder why you ever did it any other way. It is so easy. If you thought that was cool and enjoyed this episode, please share it. I am eternally grateful for your support and thank you for subscribing. Remember to also subscribe for free to our new website at mindovermunch.com and check out our 30-day email course and new bento ebook with all of these recipes. New subscribers receive a discount code in their email and are entered to win a food processor. See you tomorrow, friends, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.